Do you want to play Xbox games anywhere, anytime, even without your console right next to you? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're going to show you how to use Xbox Remote Play so you can enjoy your games on your phone, tablet, or computer, no matter where you are. So first, make sure that you have the Xbox app downloaded on your phone or your tablet. Once you have it, open the app and sign in with your Xbox account. This is key to getting started. Now, the next thing you got to do is turn on your Xbox console and make sure that it's connected to the internet. You'll need your console ready to stream your games. Then, open the Xbox app and tap on the Remote Play button, okay? This is going to connect you to your Xbox console so that you can play the games whenever you want right from your phone. If the connection feels a bit slow, try turning off the devices using the internet to get a better connection. You want to make it even more smooth? Try using a controller. Xbox controllers can connect to your phone for a more comfortable gaming experience. All right? Lastly, keep your console and Xbox app updated for the best performance. If this video helped you out, leave me a like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for being here. Ciao.